morning, students. Analytic function with the constant real part is constant. Analytic function with the constant real part. We know that analytic function f of z is equal to u plus iv. If here u is constant, if u is constant, the result that function will be a constant. The proof. Here, Cauchy-Riemann equations are ux is equal to vy and the uy is equal to minus vx. Given u equal to c, the real part is constant. C is a constant. Then ux is equal to 0, then uy is equal to 0. When we are partially differentiating u equal to c with respect to x and with respect to y, ux is equal to 0 and uy is equal to 0. Then by Cauchy-Riemann equations, vy is equal to ux, that is equal to 0. Therefore, vy is equal to 0. That implies this is v is equal to constant. V is equal to constant. Similarly, in the second case, vx is equal to minus uy, that is equal to 0. Therefore, v is a constant. U and v are constant. Therefore, the function f of z equal to u plus iv is a constant. Therefore, we proved the result. If an analytic function, and in that analytic function, if u is a constant, that function will be a constant. The second question. Analytic function with the constant imaginary part. Imaginary part is constant. Analytic function f of z equal to u plus iv. F of z is equal to u plus iv. That is u plus iv. Here v is a constant. If v is a constant, then we can say that function is a constant. Take v equal to c, a constant. Then the partially differentiating with respect to vx is equal to 0, vy is equal to 0. When we partially differentiating with respect to x and with respect to y, vx is equal to 0 and vy is equal to 0. Then by Cauchy-Riemann equation, ux is equal to vy, that is equal to 0. Therefore, u is a constant. Similarly, uy is equal to 0. Therefore, the imaginary part will be, real part will be constant. Therefore, f of z is equal to u plus iv is a constant. That is the second result. About analytic function with the constant real part or constant imaginary part is constant. That function will be a constant. We can prove the result with the help of Cauchy-Riemann equations. The next result says that analytic function with a constant modulus. Modulus is constant. That is modulus given modulus of f of z is equal to c. If modulus f of z equal to c, then our result says that analytic function will be a constant. Your modulus of f of z is equal to c. Modulus of f of z is equal to c, that is root of u square plus v square is equal to c. Then squaring on both sides, u square plus v square is equal to c square. U square plus v square is equal to c square. Then this is equation 1. Then partially differentiating with respect to x. Partially differentiating with respect to x. Then we get u square is equal to 2u into ux, 2v into vx is equal to 0. The 2 cancel. Therefore, ux is equal to minus vvx. ux is equal to minus vvx. This is equation 2. Then we partially differentiating with respect to y. Then we get 2u into uy plus 2v into vy is equal to 0. Therefore, uy is equal to minus vvy. Therefore, then two results are, this is equation 3. That is UUI is equal to minus VVY. We get two results. Then we can divide 2 divided by 3. We can divide 2 divided by 3. That is UUX divided by UUY is equal to minus VVX by minus VVY. That implies UU will cancel. Therefore, UX by VY. Therefore, UX by V. U cancel, VV will cancel. Therefore, UX into minus VY is equal to minus minus. Therefore, UX into VY is equal to UY into VX. UY into VX. Then by using Cauchy-Riemann equation, we can apply the Cauchy-Riemann equation. Vy is equal to Ux. Therefore, Ux into Vy is equal to Ux. Therefore, Ux into Ux. Similarly, right hand side, Uy into Uy into minus Uy. Vx is equal to Vx is equal to minus Uy. Therefore, minus Uy into Vx can be replaced by Uy. Therefore, Uy into minus Uy. Here, Uy into Vx, Uy into Vx can be replaced by second Cauchy-Riemann equation minus Uy. Therefore, Ux whole square plus Uy the whole square is equal to 0. We know that a square plus b square is equal to 0. Then a equal to 0 and b equal to 0. A square plus b square equal to 0. Then we can see that a equal to 0, b equal to 0. Therefore, ux is equal to 0 and uy is equal to 0. Ux is equal to 0, u is a constant. U is a constant. Since u is a constant, v already is a constant. If u is a constant, real part is constant. The first result says that if a analytic function f of z is equal to u plus iv, in this u is a constant. If u is a constant, then we can say that the function is a constant. Here u is a constant. Therefore, we can say that f of z is a constant. That is the result. This is the proved result. Okay.